Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2020, the Arctic Fox. It's the 285C is the model number. Come on inside, let's take a peek. So newer floor plan they came out with. So you walk right into the kitchen area, you got a nice big island, double stainless steel sink, lots of counter space on between. You got storage here, little counter to put your coffee maker right there. Got a nice pantry right there. Your microwave, convection microwave right there. You got the new Furrion with the big burners and the glass oven door. So this has the the double Northwood double refrigerator freezer. Lots of room in there. It's kind of cool for a smaller unit. So you got your built-in stereo system with your CD, DVD player, fireplace, electric fireplace. TV's on a swivel bracket that you can pivot for both. You got some more storage back here. So you got the double pane windows. You got the little corner booth right there. Nice big windows in the back here. And this gives you a little storage under there for cans and spices, whatnot. Same thing on the other end. So you got your Thomas Paine furniture, more storage above us there. Storage for a small unit. This got a lot of storage in it right there. Ceiling fan, air conditioning, all LED lights. Fantastic fan, pulls air both directions. Your control panels right here for your slides, your generator. These are prepped for a generator. You got all your water. Here's where you check your water tanks and all that. It comes with a little I think it's 10 amp, a little solar charger. It's up on the roof already to pre-trickle charge your batteries. So come on in here to the bathroom. You got entries to both sides. You got your corner shower, little corner sink. You got a porcelain toilet there. Nice big, shower here. You got plenty of room in there for a tall guy can get in there. Little lighted mirror for do your makeup mirror. And in this bedroom, so the bed, they use quality mattress, pillow top mattress, and then you got storage under the bed. And on this side, the slide out, you have closet space on both sides right there. And then you got a little spot for CPAP machine or whatever on the sides. There's lights, plug-ins, there's plug-in for your cell phone chargers, more storage, your skylight, another fantastic fan, air conditioning built in. You can have a TV in here if you want to have a TV installed, but awesome little unit. So for a smaller, like I said, 285 is the model number. So you got 3 slides, you got a lot of room. These are the ones built out of La Grande, Oregon. So they're 4 seasons. Northwood is the manufacturer. One of our finer products that we sell. This has the new step that folds up into the door, lightweight, just folds up inside. You got your electric awning, you got your big grip handle there, LED lights strip underneath there. So this has the auto leveling jacks. It's got the 4 plus the front 2, so you got 6 actually. Storage there. There's your propane tanks right there. You got double propane tank. In the front here, where your generator prepped and your batteries go, you got a nice fiberglass cap with lights in there. On this side is your batteries right here. The batteries on this side, dual batteries. You could actually, these are pre-wired to the battery for solar. Here's your pass-through storage, your control panel for your auto leveling right there. Here's all your shut-off valve for your disconnect, battery disconnect. All your plug-ins for your water and the sewer right there, your anti-flush right there. Little hose for your outdoor shower. Here's power, where your power cord goes right there. So let's go around to the back. You got a ladder to get up on the roof, and then you got more storage back there. So if you're looking for a nice fifth wheel, 4 seasons, small, like I said, locally built, awesome unit, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.